Dopopa, arguably the 14th century's most outspoken proponent of the Tathagata essence teachings in Tibet, strongly challenged Bhutan by claiming that the last wheel teachings, such as Tathagata Gaudapa Sutra, Srimala Devi Sutra, and others, taught Other-Emptiness, the ultimate meaning of the Mahayana tradition, in his estimation. Furthermore, Dopopa argues that the middle wheel teachings primarily explicate the meaning of emptiness of inherent existence, and therefore they do not explicitly teach the ultimate truth. Moreover, he argues that Buddha nature is none other than other-emptiness, and it is endowed with enlightened qualities, free from all defilements. In his texts, Dopopa also claims that Prasangika Madhyamaka, which is viewed by his contemporaries as the highest school of Indian Mahayana philosophy, is not the ultimate interpretation of Mahayana doctrine. Rather, the middle way with appearance should be recognized as the ultimate view of Mahayana philosophy. In a nutshell, Dopopa's writings justifying the authority of the Uttara Tantra and the Tathagata essence teachings were applauded by many of his peers and carried on by his devout disciples. Dopopa vehemently argues that 1. The Tathagata essence teachings are definitive. 2. They belong to the gray middle way, or the middle way with appearance, which is superior to the middle way or the middle way without appearance, that only holds emptiness of inherent existence as the ultimate truth. 3. The Prajna Paramita Sutras do not primarily teach ultimate truth. Rather, they mainly elucidate self-emptiness. Self-emptiness is not ultimate truth. Other-emptiness is ultimate truth. 5. All sentient beings have an inherent Tathagata essence endowed with enlightened qualities. In response to Dopopa's presentation of Mahayana literature, based on his reading of the Tathagata essence literature. Several 14th century scholars, such as Bhutan, Dratsepa, Rendawa, and Tsongkhapa, leveled a series of strong criticisms against Dobopa's perspective, although without necessarily mentioning him by name. Dobopa generally argues that the last will Tathagata essence teachings primarily teach definitive meaning of ultimate truth, whereas the middle wheel scriptures primarily teach interpretable meaning. Furthermore, he maintains that the last will teachings explain the definitive meaning clearly, whereas the middle wheel scriptures delineate the definitive meaning along with interpretable meaning.
For more information on what Jonang Dharma says about the ultimate reality, please visit our website at jonangdharma.org. And if you like our video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell.